Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good and fantastic. So today I am at Rajesh Motors at Transport Nagar in Jaipur to make a video on the all new motorcycle from Royal Enfield, which is the all new Meteor, because every second video on YouTube is all about Meteor. So here I am making one for you. So coming back to the meaning of Meteor, the Meteor means a shooting star, which surely will shoot up the sales for Royal Enfield. So let me just quickly show you how this new bike looks and what it has to offer. So here I am at the front of the all new Meteor, and you can see this beautiful O-shaped LED, and behind this there is a halogen lamp, and I don't know what love that Royal Enfield has for the halogen lamps. So this is the O-shaped LED, and I really like the small things. As you can see, the RE badging inside the headlamp, it's looking beautiful. So this is the side profile of the all new Meteor, and you can see it's all new design from Royal Enfield. They built this bike from the scratch, and you can see that by looking at it. And you can see it's the all new engine from the Royal Enfield, and even the chassis is new. So it is the new engine which is producing 349cc, producing 20.2 bhp of power. And I'm not going to bore you with the specifications, but I have to tell you one thing: it's much quicker and faster than the older 350cc engine, and above it it's the 15 liters of tank, for which Royal Enfield is assuring 40 to 41 kilometers per liter, which means you don't have to stop at every fuel station when you are doing those highway rides. And by looking at this motorcycle, I get this feeling that it is looking a mix of the Avenger and the Thunderbird. Please let me know in the comment section if you feel the same. So coming to the seat, it's a little bit on the firmer side, but you can customize it from Royal Enfield itself. The Royal Enfield is allowing you to customize your bike in your own way, so that's a nice touch from Royal Enfield. Coming to the tail lamp of this all new Meteor, it is all LED, and I personally love the design of this tail lamp, but I don't really like the placement of this tail lamp, because it just seems like they've just put it here because they have to get the job done. So let me know in the comment section if you feel the same. अब इस बाइक की सबसे अच्छी चीज़ पे आते हैं, जो कि है इंस्ट्रूमेंट क्लस्टर. आई रियली लव द इंस्ट्रूमेंट क्लस्टर. आपको देखते ही इससे बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार हो जाएगा. Just look at it. It shows all the necessary details, like in which gear you are riding, the fuel gauge and all those things. But it misses out on some things, like the distance to empty, which is necessary in all the modern motorcycles. And here's this tiny screen, which is not so tiny when it comes to features, because it shows you all the navigation details and shows you what time it is when you're riding on those highway rides. So coming to the switches, these are all new switches from the Royal Enfield. They are not coming from the previous model of Royal Enfield, and I think that's the best thing that Royal Enfield has done. Here you can see it's you can start the motorcycle from here, and these are the buttons for the hazard lights. And over here, these are the controls for the lights, for the pass, and for the indicators. Am I forgetting something? Yes, I am forgetting to show you guys the exhaust note of this motorcycle. So let's get back to it. The exhaust note of this motorcycle is a little bit different and it's a little bit louder than the old 350cc engine, and that's the best thing I've seen on this motorcycle, because the exhaust note is a much louder than the BS6 classic models. So yeah, that would be all for this video. I hope you guys like it. If you did, then like it, comment on it, and share it with your friends, and subscribe the channel if you haven't done it yet. Bye bye.